Morning from Texas. I thought I'd show you what is behind the door today. What is behind the door? Not what you thought it was going to be, is it? Let me explain a little further. Right now, I'm at a location close to Abilene, Texas. And what is this ladder doing beside Jim? Let's have a look, shall we? Are you ready for this? It's pretty cool. What on earth is this? Well, it's 300 watts of solar panel, that's all. How do you like that big shiny girl? I love it, and I'm so excited. So today, for the rest of the day, the continue of the setup happens. So solar panel on, I'm one step closer. I hope you're all having a blessed day. Enjoy the journey.